In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sigils in Devas of Creation. So, step 1 is actually finding sigils, and all sigils can be obtained either by purchasing them from the grocer NPC, who is called Lillian Grandove, okay, so Grandove, or as rewards for completing quests. So, first, you will have to locate Lillian, okay, and to find him, you will have to go to the town of Verdis. And then upon entering the town, you will have to go left through the building until you reach a clearing. And then you will have to climb the stone steps, and you will see her shop on the left. It's marked by kind of a purple potion above the door frame, and that's where it is, okay? And Lillian will be introduced to you after completing the travel quest that grants you access to this town, so to the town of Verdis. So step 3 is to actually you can get sigils as a quest item, so in addition to being quest rewards, sigils often serve a purpose as quest items. So for example, the NPC Zorin requests the enigmatic sigil along with other loot, and the reward could include a chance to obtain a mount, okay? So be on the lookout on this. And also, I kind of listed down a breakdown of all available sigils, including their level requirements, purchase and selling price. So of course, we also have the rarity, which is the basic sigil over here, is common, and you need level 1, 50 essence, and then you can sell it for 6 essence. Now, unusual sigil is uncommon rarity, also level 1, and the purchase price is 100, and the sell price is 17. We have enigmatic sigil, which is rare, level player 1, and we need 400 essence and 34 to sell it. Now we have a mystic sigil, which is epic rarity, and it also requires level 1 because all of them do, and the purchase price is 1000 essence, and you can sell it for 68 essence. And we also have the last one, which is celestial sigil, which is a legendary item, legendary sigil. You need player 1, as I said as well, and you need 4000 essence, and it can be sold for 171 essence. So these sigils are key to advancing quests, trading with NPCs, and gaining unique rewards in the game. So it's really worth it that you know how to get them, and how to get them effectively and easily. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.